Right, back again. I'll stay back. Yeah, there seems to be a flat spot over the other side, so put me up. All the birds are back again. Oh God, here we go. We'll have to come back. I was just getting away from all the noisy birds. Now this is where the signal's working. I think I'm having a bit of Derby's sunset. Look, I'm having a sunset now. Look, it's getting all nice again. Right, are we working again? We'll have to stay over this side then, where the noisy birds are. It's like something a bit strange. I thought I'll get away from the noise, and then the reception goes. The squirrels and the ducks are fighting over everything now. I'm trying to feed them both at the same time. The squirrels are frightened of the ducks. The ducks are going where the squirrels are. It's all getting crazy. Hang on. No, slipped. The squirrels and the ducks are fighting over everything. Can I help you? Yeah, we're getting a bit of a nice sunset now. Getting a bit of Derby's leftovers. Two Ranus. I don't know who two Ranus. There's Derby or Angel there, just for calling. Keeping an eye on the picture quality. I know it's carnage. You've got squirrels and ducks all fighting. What's that? They said from Ghostbusters. Dogs and cats. Mass hysteria. From yeah, there seems to be a flat spot over that other side there. Thanks for the heart. I'll just stay here then where the noisy birds are. I'll just feed them where there's a signal. I'm just going to have a little walk around the lake, but I can't with this network. I'll have to stay over that side. Stay on this side of the lake. Hello. Where's the squirrels gone? Play nice. Let's keep an eye on the sky. Got a bit of Derby's sunset leftovers. It's got a bit nice over there now. Can't believe you come out like and it's just dull and grey and raining and you think, oh, it's never getting bright enough. I never noticed it until you're periscoping and waiting for the weather to improve. Now it's all gold away and it's gone now. Oh, it's all blue sky again. It's typical, isn't it? Right, let's have a little wander down. Keep this side, we should be okay for reception. Let's go away from these now. You've had enough now. Don't follow me. Come on, let's have a look down this other end of the park now. Can't just stand still for half an hour. Let's go down here. I haven't got that much daylight to show you a little bit of the sky. I've got very good clear view of the sky at the moment. But Derby saw that water, didn't we? Let's go to where that... was it clear where that water was, Derby? Shall I dare go near where that waterfall was again? I was just going to walk towards where that waterfall was. Was it okay there? Yeah, we've got a very nice sky now. Oh, it was okay. All right. I'll just have to go where that water is then. I'll just head down. There's like a little path where the waterfall is. It failed by the stream, right? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a bit of a nuisance when you do a 3-hour scope along the canal and it's fine, and then we've got issues in a park. We'll just see how we go. It's the nicest park I can show you as well. So if you watch some of the replays on the other networks, they seem to have worked okay. Might have just found a flat spot with this network in this park, I think. Yeah, I've had no trouble all these, not much trouble at all in this park. So I think sometimes you can just have strange days with the network. I don't think it's any particular reason. We'll just carry on down here, see what we can see. To keep restarting 20 times. We'll just go around this other bit of water, see what happens. I'll see you keep popping in and out anyway if I think the reception's going. Yeah. I mean, I can't understand how you can have it sort of one side of the park okay and the other side not working at all. It's just, I can understand if I'm like, like if you're in the countryside and you're in the valley of a hill or something, but this is all on the flat, it's just working, it should keep working. It doesn't make any sense. I can understand if I'm trying to climb mountains and getting the dips and the valleys. All the fun of periscoping. I see that's why you have a lot of people who just periscope and they don't move. Once they know it's working, they don't move. But, I haven't got that much daylight anyway, so yeah. Yeah, I've just been praising the network up. I'm on my third network I'm trying now. And O2's been okay, a little bit sketchy. And I tried 3. That wasn't even getting in reception in town centres, that wasn't. And I thought didn't think we'd come unstuck in this park anyway. There's a few places that are a lot worse than this, but the reception will be better. In the countryside, I want to, near to Buxton, there's a few nice places in the countryside I want to periscope, and if it just waiting for the weather to pick up, a nice sunny day, and I won't go round a few bits of water I've found. Oh, yeah, there's another squirrel. Anyway, I'll do my best with it. So I just thought, go around the park and just find where the bad points are. I know I've seen some people's scopes where it does that, where it must just completely lose, and then it just keeps repeating the same section. But, yeah, the sky's getting all nice colours anyway. Now it's about to set. I'll just go around this other piece of water and then I'll just go back where I started. That's to do because I've noticed some people, they just scope and they don't really move very far. I think they're worried about the connection dropping. I think you just get carried away, but I'm somebody who wants to keep moving, so that's probably when the scope goes all haywire when you keep moving. Is it okay here? I could just feed the birds from here. Let's see if is it working here. Let's have a look. Is it working from this spot here? It's got the birds coming towards me. Just keep an eye on the sky. It's getting some nice colours now. Bit of afterglow, as Derby calls it, I think. This is all the fun of living in England. Rains all day and then clears up. Get some nice silhouettes. Yeah, I've got some birds waiting for me. They just give me a few hearts, so that'll give me a comments and hearts, so I know it's working, it's live. All the birds are coming to me now. I just like it moving on my scopes. You see, that's the problem with the reception. If you keep find a good route where it keeps working and then just keep scoping the same location, that's basically what I'm doing at the moment. Try and find some different locations. You can have a walk and keep scoping. Is there anybody there? I'm getting no hearts or comments. As it throws up again. Just waste my battery if nobody's watching. Yeah, I think it's struggling, this network. I thought it'd be great in here. I'm praising it up, and then yeah, I'm getting no comments or hearts, so I don't know if it's broadcasting. So if they follow me round, I might restart round there and then just try and stay where it works. And you'll have to just do your exercise and then scope when you're not moving. I'm trying to walk all the way around, so it'll keep dropping. I might just be wasting my time doing this. See, it could just have froze. But what's the replay now? It could have froze. Yeah. And this is all for nothing. I say I'd rather keep the scope short anyway, because I like saving to my camera roll if they're quite short. And 3-hour ones just wouldn't work. They're just too long. Oh, we are. Somebody's coming in. Oh, he's still there. Yeah, you just feel like there's nobody there, because it just sort of it does say 4 people are watching, but I'll just keep walking. Then I can weigh up the reception. To not come this park again, or just stand in that place where I started, find a good spot. Try and look for the squirrels. Yeah, it's a big park. They'll probably follow me around now, because they know I've got the food. Yeah, you just can't believe it when you go on that canal walk. You know, that was in the middle of nowhere, and that was fine. It's just depends where the towers are. You can't really. You've just got to try and find a few places to scope. But I like travelling and showing you things, you see. So I just think the scoping's working everywhere we go. But if I struggle, I'll do a video on my phone and put it on my YouTube. Make sure you follow me on YouTube. Watching high definition instead of all this periscope nonsense. So I'm just trying to get periscope as some viewers, and I'd rather follow me on YouTube, and then I can do live streaming on YouTube, but I still need a signal. But I'd rather just try and get a good video in HD, have a little wander around in HD, and then try and get a little bit of a periscope for talk to people, because that's all it's for really, having a chat. I'm just filming, I can do that in HD and be sure it's working. There's lots of birds here anyway. Sorry, left man for sprinklers. Right. Yeah, the connection's a bit ropey in this park on this network anyway. I've scoped here before. If you just look at Longton Park on my previous scopes, because I've done over 230 I think now. But I've been trying different networks, so this is my third network just to try and find the best one for where I managed to scope for you. Anyway, some sound of water. Oh, some hearts, thank you for hearts. There's a nice sound of water. Yeah, I've tried, I just haven't tried Vodafone now. I've tried O2 in 3 and I'm on EE at the moment. And it's supposed to be the best for coverage, but obviously you can't have coverage everywhere. So. I have already scoped this park anyway, so if you look at my previous scopes you can see Longton Park. Yeah, I'll have to think what's best to do because I don't want to really stand in one spot for half an hour. So I'll keep moving about, but just I'll keep the scope shorter if I've got to stand still. Enjoy the nice sound of water for a few minutes. I think I've lost everybody from Roland's in. Hello, native Indian. Just trying to scope Longton Park. Showing a few connection issues. Just trying to race before the sun sets. Got about half an hour. All the rain's cleared up now. Got a bit of a brighter sky now. Make the most of it. Yeah, this is the British weather for you. It rains all day and then I have an hour of sunshine. You can tell how much it's been raining because there's always overflow here in the canal overflow. The lake overflow, I mean, not canal overflow. Right, let's keep moving. The scoping hand's starting to go a bit numb now as the sun goes down. I just may as well do a complete walk around the lake, see how the reception goes, and I'll have to keep away from the dead spots. There's a lot more birds around here. Let's have a look around here. Yeah, I don't want to try and restart the scope too many times. As long as it's working. I've got some hearts. Give me some thumbs up. And then the birds are all following me now anyway. They know I've got food. Make the most of the sunshine. But I do have a normal bird feeding place where I know it's a good signal. I thought I'd just show you the park. Just trying the network with this park anyway. Birds are just following me now. I'm like the bird whisperer. Yeah, they're enjoying my food. Yeah, I'm on low battery, 20% battery anyway, so just do a few more minutes. Just give me feedback on the quality, and just try and make the most. We've got a nice afterglow. Look at that. Might as well try and catch the sunset here because say the sun will set in a minute anyway. It's a bit better now this side. think it's just that side of the lake. It's got a few little dead spots. It's a massive park though, it goes all over here. This is just the lake area. Perhaps I'm just hitting a few dead spots. Have to come a few times. Try and find the good spots. Where it works okay. Hello Tina. Just trying to do it. Waiting for the rain go off now. Doing a little short scope. Now the sun's come out. Try and get a little bit of a daily scope in. Hello. Yeah, just I've catched the replay. I've just been scoping for about half an hour. Just trying a new network in a place that I've scoped before. Oh, Derby's back. The fun of Periscope. Oh. Stopping and starting. Oh, she's back. Right. Is the connection okay here? And Derby's back. I've just had a wander around this lake. Was I losing you? It's back. Yeah, I think I just found the only... should have stayed where I was once with all them noisy birds. You move away from them and the connection starts suffering. Yeah, I'll have to scope in Derby for Derby to watch. Yeah, Derby's there's a town about 20 miles away from me called Derby. D-E-R-B-Y. I'll have to scope Derby for Derby. It's getting a bit cool now. My scoping hand's getting a bit numb now. I'll have to put my glove on, I think. Since as mild as yesterday, my scoping hand's getting a bit numb now. Getting some frostbite as the sun goes down. So I won't be able to make it back to my normal scope, my sunset location, so we'll just have to make the most of what's here now. Just the trees are blocking it a little bit, but I'm having a little bit of your sunrise, look, a little bit of red and orange. No, they're in my pocket. No. Look, it's getting pink. I'll try and put my glove on. Got my glove somewhere. It's alright until the sun starts going down. Let me just find my scoping glove. So I'll probably lose it. I think I've got my scoping glove somewhere. I'm trying. You have to multitask. I've got my monkey nuts and my bird food and my gloves and my. Let's try and put my. Just go a bit shaky. I'm just going to put my hand in my glove. A minute. Oh. I should have put this on before I started, shouldn't I? Right. Gloves up. Right. Back again. Oh. I just can't grip my phone so much with my gloves on. I have to stay away from the water's edge. Just make the most of the daylight we've got left. Yes. I know you can't grip it the same with your gloves on. I'll just come away from the water's edge. Probably just go in the poop anyway. Just be careful of all the poop. Is the reception okay here? Anybody wants to ring in? I'll have to just stop on this side of the water. I think we're having some connection issues the other side. It's why I like when somebody phones and I know I've got a connection then. Or sometimes you don't know if you've lost your connection. That's why I like trying to keep the hearts flowing or the comments or the chat. That's probably what kept it going for 3 hours yesterday and it didn't have a glitch on it. Let's make the most of the sunset. Can't really see much of it. This is Longton Park in Stoke-on-Trent. I'll just leave before it's dark. We'll look for a few more squirrels. I'll try and do some squirrel feeding as well. This is just the water's edge. All the birds are going there. Yeah, was just praising this network up, and then it's let me down walking around this park. It's a nice park to take you all the way around. It's got two lakes, you see, that's where all the birds were fighting up there. There's like two lakes, there's a little one and a big one. So it's starting to set the sun now, so. Yeah, it's getting quite chilly now. It's amazing how I said Derby, I was walking with my t-shirt and my shorts on yesterday, and then just because it's been raining, it's the rain that really brings the temperature down when it's been raining a lot. Whoa, it just makes the air cold. Just see if I can find some squirrels before we go. Just trying to stay not to stray too far. See if there's any squirrels up here on the way out to the where the gate is. Where's your torch? Oh, Derby's back in and if it's glitching again. Yeah. Derby keeps trying to come in. I think the connection's going again. I think we've had what we can. I think I've done what I can do in this park anyway. On this network. I'll just remember to scope where the birds were over there. Just by this side of the water. You start wandering off. It struggles. This is the entrance. This is the exit anyway. So I like to keep the scopes quite short because the 3 hour ones. Yeah, I think you'll keep losing me now. Yeah, I think that's it for the connection now. I'll leave it at that. This is just a way out anyway. I'll just film till we get to the exit. See if it gets any better. Just go to the exit gate at the top. Oh, such a weird scoping day. I thought I wasn't going to scope today. Just wait for the weather to be better, but I think it just gets addictive to just keep trying to get a scope done. I've got unlimited. I've got a lot of data at the moment, so hard to get up. Yeah, I have to. I just like to keep moving. I know some people just have the scopes and they just stand still, but I like to keep moving. That's the problem with these bad reception scopes. If you get a connection, you're supposed to just not move. But, it's been a good network everywhere else I've been this week. I've done about four scopes now. No trouble at all. It's the first one people are telling me there's some issues. I'll leave it at that, folks, now, and I'll just see how much daylight I've got. I might do how long it takes me to get home. I could probably just do like a driving scope in the passenger seat. I might do a driving scope, just try one of those. So you can see my little area back with the car. Just check out me. Make sure you get follow me online. I've got a link in my bio to buymeacoffee.com, which helps me to follow future broadcasts. And a link to my YouTube. And make sure you follow me on all the social medias under Jace the Who. And I'll try to do daily scopes. I've got over 200 I've done, and I'll try and keep doing daily scopes. Try and find you things interesting. And obviously there's a lot more to show you after all these the lockdown's finished, and try and show you a lot more interesting things. Yeah, it's getting quite cold now, so I'll end the scope and I might do a scope in the car. I won't be driving, so you can talk to me in the car. Okay folks, see you on the next one. Bye for now, stay safe.